Hello everybody and welcome back to Wanda Tales. We are now in Ecuador and we're starting this series off in
the Amazon.
pretty cool experience. Not impressed, Sebastian. Today we are in the Amazon rainforest. We're doing a tour with the Shayari community. Right now we're exploring their rainforest and we're learning all about the different the different traps that they have for animals that their ancestors used to use. We're learning about the different trees in the forest and what they were used for, and we're also learning about the different animals that are in this forest and how they use these animals and how they use the plants for medicine as well.
Very interesting. It's every little boy's dream to learn about how traps work and how they hunt. It's really
every country boy's dream.
Every country boy's dream anyway. It's really a trip of a lifetime. Like,
yes.
You're really stepping into another world here, and we're very lucky to do so. And that's Sebastian.
Sebastian, you want to be in the video, babe?
It's so it expands back.
You want this, baby? You don't even know what it is.
He thinks it's a treat.
It's not a treat, but here you
Balanceado.
go. Not a treat. You see? Not a treat.
Entonces nosotros dejamos con la comida ahí. Entonces el animal cuando viene lo jala la comida.
Okay.
A lo que jala la comida y esto va a caer. Entonces con el peso el animal queda ahí muerto. Esto es de un palito muy larga y delgado. Y cuando el animal viene caminando de aquí o de allá, puede venir. Y entonces siempre va topando el palito, va a bajar. Y ahí lo va a aplastar.
Ay, Sebastián.
Entonces el animal queda ahí. Esto tiene que ser bien puesto los palitos para acá. Para que no entre por aquí, sino por aquí. Por encima tiene que meter el pescuezo, el cuello. Entonces para que quede aquí.
Oh, yeah, it's going to catch us by the neck.
Sí. Cuidado. Soy yo así lo conejo.
Then you got your poor trapped animal ready to eat.
Could you imagine him just dangling?
Go camouflage yourself. Whoa, where did he go? Oh.
Oh, I got Sebastian.
He got him. Oh yeah, let me show you a little hole here. Right there.
Can you tell them this is how I grew up hunting deer?
Cualquier clase de veneno, o sea, ellos ponían, se preparaban. Entonces eso lo pintaban, es color negro. Ahora actualmente nosotros lo tenemos.
Okay.
Entonces eso pintaban y con eso lo soplaban. a lo que el animal mueve y en ese corte queda quebrado esta puntita, queda quebrado y esto cae.
Okay.
Ya,
Wow.
vamos a poner.
So the real ones are black at the end. Wow.
Este también es el primer arma de nuestra cultura indígena.
Sí.
Buena puntería.
Buena puntería y tienen buena fuerza. Yo lo pego.
Lots of force.
Yeah.
Ahí en la maraca.
Whoa.
That's amazing. No.
Where did it go?
It went there, but it just wasn't straight.
Ah, okay, no tan malo.
Shoot higher?
Sí, y la flecha cae aquí.
Más alto para que
Para
bajes.
caiga aquí. Sí.
Okay.
Because it dropped.
Sebastian.
Yep.
Try it out. Oh.
It just didn't go in. Yeah.
Almost.
Oh no. That's hard.
Okay. Blow really hard.
Really hard.
Oh.
Wow. Good job. Good job.
This is my fourth time, guys. Fourth time.
And I didn't get it once.
And you didn't get it out once. How many
Well,
tries
that's
did
not
we
true.
do?
I got the stem.
You got the stem down here.
Yeah.
But I got us some real meat for dinner.
No.
Sebastian's gonna try.
That doesn't count.
¿Quién? A ver.
Get it smells? Sebastian,
Wrong.
relax.
What is wrong?
What's wrong?
My mom would love this.
She would. Sebastian, you gotta move, baby.
You ready?
Yeah?
Here we go.
Woo! Watch out for that tree. Whoa!
Whoa. That was scary.
Oh God! Woo! Sebastian, here it comes!
That's the real fun. Nice. Do you know how to do it?
With one leg up, no?
Yeah. Just be very careful, babe.
Okay.
Like, hold on for dear life.
This might be too high for me.
Yeah.
Hold on, right here. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This
Hold on.
Okay.
Go. Good job. You got to get off quick. Good job.
Los que ahora vinieron, los señores, ellos han pintado este vez.
Oh, okay. They just painted this one.
Ajá.
Ah,
Bonita pinta.
qué bonita. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Does that even look like a one, though?
No.
It doesn't.
Let me see.
Kind of.
Kind of.
It's like, I think I did it wrong, though.
Yeah.
This should be lower.
And then they take the beads out. And they make all these things.
one time.
It's so cool.
Twitter.
We would recommend doing the Shayati community tour because when you do it with them, well, because if you do this tour with this company, you can also experience their culture. You stay with their cabins, you experience the foods that they're eating, you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you experience the ceremonies at the end of the night as well. The ceremony was really nice because it was a cleansing medicinal ceremony, and that was really special.
With some cultural dancing.
Yeah.
It's just very authentic. Like you don't feel like they're, you know.
It doesn't feel touristy.
Exactly, not at all. It's very genuine.
Yeah. Another thing that we really like is that on a lot of the other Amazonian tours, you can't take your pets, and this one they do allow you to bring your dog. So if you have a dog or a cat, I guess, if you're traveling with one, you can bring them on this tour as well.
Very great. We definitely recommend.
And definitely very affordable. All the information will be down below.
Yep. If you stay as a student, you'll stay in this area right here.
Habitación 1. And 2. And we've got 3 and 4. As well as an upstairs with more rooms. 5, 6, 7. So this is what the cabins look like. We have the beds here. Beds here. Those are just the bug nets. You have your shower. Here. And you also have a bathroom. It's very well done, actually. Very nice. Rebecca, you don't like it?
It helps.
It's gonna help you. Yeah, that's a good boy. Look at you.
What a good boy.
That's a good boy. Yeah, good boy. You're happy with it now? You look uncomfortable, babe. You want to fix it for him? Here. Look, he can still breathe, baby. It's like, I can't breathe. He's hyperventilating. Sebastian, you're fine. There, look at that.
There. There we go. Now you have like a little fort under the
Babe. Pretty magical still, huh?
Yeah, it is.
To be in some Amazonian rain. Here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time in another Wando Tale.
Wando out.